welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace, and today is the first time here. You're very welcome. If today is not your first time here, you're amazing. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you are actually watching my video for the second time, let's talk about the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Why not subscribe? Just hit the notification bell because I know you're already subscribed by now. Anyway, are you planning on starting a YouTube channel? And are you wondering what are the steps to take so that your YouTube channel can be successful? Or have you started your YouTube channel and now you are blocked because it seems like it's not working? Well, not to worry. I'll tell you a very quick story. I was on YouTube for 3 years and I had 800 subscribers. My views were like a typical 200 views, 300 views. I was posting 1 month yes, 2 months no. So I had in 3 years a total of 30 videos. And then I took a leave of absence from YouTube. I came back after 6 months and I was determined. I had studied, I had planned, and I came so determined to make my YouTube channel, grow. And I'll tell you this, from April to now that we are in May, it's been 1 month I came back on my YouTube channel. I went from having 800 subscribers to 1,620 subscribers as of when I'm filming this video. I went from having I think 700 or 500 watch time to passing the 4,000 hours watch time, and I went from pretty much not ranking in the YouTube charts when you pretty much upload videos to always ranking. And not only am I ranking, but my videos are having a minimum of 4,000, 5,000 views. And not only I got monetized. So if you're wondering like, how did I do all these things in 1 month? Then not to worry, just keep on watching because I'm going to tell you all the secret on how to start a very successful YouTube channel. And of course, I'll also tell you the mistake that I made so you don't have to make the same mistake.
I'm rocking with the fire boy. I'm funny, you my girl. Yeah.
So guys, the very first thing that you need to know when you want to start a YouTube channel is, number one, be mentally prepared. There are lots of people who are very shy. When I started my YouTube channel, honestly, I was really shy. I didn't want to expose my channel to anyone until when I had a minimum of 50 subscribers, and that was a very big mistake that I really made starting my channel. Why? This is the reason why you have to be mentally prepared. Going into YouTube, you have to know why you are going there. You have to love it. You have to know if you really want it, and if you love it and you want it, you have to promote yourself. You need to promote your channel. You need to go to your friends, you need to go to your family, get as much people to know about your channel and get them to subscribe, because when they subscribe to your channel, it's easier for outsiders, other people who do not know you, to subscribe. If I go on a YouTube channel right now that has 2 subscribers or 5 subscribers and I watch a video, like there is 10% chances of me subscribing to that channel, except I just want to help the person. But if I come to a YouTube channel that has great content and has 70 subscribers, even though I know it's a very small channel, I will feel like, wow, so there's 70 people who already subscribed, so obviously he's doing something, and I will subscribe. So you telling people about your channel automatically is you bringing potential subscribers into your channel in the later on. Another thing why you have to be mentally prepared also is for you to know that everyone on YouTube are going to have different journeys. So you're going to have someone who is going to post one video, go viral overnight, and just be like Jackie Aina in 2 days. You're going to have others who are going to take it gradually. You're going to have those who are going to start, it's going to go well, and then they're going to stop, and then it's going to go well, and then they're going to stop. Everyone's journey is different. You also have to know that YouTube is going to come with the good and the bad and the ugly and the great, so you have to always be mentally prepared to accept anything that comes your way. So now that we're done with the mental part or the spiritual part, now we are going to go into a very important part. You need to have a plan. When I say have a plan, there are 2 things involved. First of all, you need to know what you want to do on YouTube. I personally, when I started my channel, I didn't know what I wanted to do. All I just wanted was to be a YouTuber. So I was doing motivational talk and then fashion video and dance video and makeup video. I was literally doing everything that I saw everyone doing because I was trying to grow my channel. But most times when I do a video and it's able to get like 1,000 subscribers, and I'm like, wow, not 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 views, and I'm like, wow, maybe I should do it. And I do it, and the next time it has like 100 views, I instantly get sad and I instantly almost want to give up. So it's always good to know what you're coming to do. If you cannot pick one thing, you can pick 3 things, start with those 3 things and see which one is giving you more audience interaction, which one is getting more views, more like, more comments, and which one is bringing more subscribers. And then when you have done that and you already have ideas, if you don't have ideas, come on, YouTube is a search engine, guys. Just type on YouTube how to style a jeans with, and you're going to see lots of things that people are searching for. You understand? Like, there are many things, and if you don't really know what to do, there are actually channels on YouTube that give you like advices on what to do, like YouTube advices or YouTube ideas actually. So just try and have a minimum of 20 ideas written down. Why I said 20 is because sometimes YouTube is actually tiring, it's frustrating when you have to like always film a video, upload a video, and then maybe it's not getting views. Get to time, you're short of ideas, you're short of things to film. You can always go back to your notebook and just read through it. And always have that notebook so that whenever you're out and you have an idea come in, just write it down on your phone or your notepad, anything. Now, another thing that has to fall into your plan is to have a filming schedule. So you have to like decide within yourself, do I want to take YouTube part-time? Do I want to take it full-time? If you are a student who is going to like, you're a full-time student, you have a part-time job, don't come out and be like, I'm going to film for 5 days and then film for 1 day, because you're going to have someone who is actually going to subscribe to your channel expecting you to film 5 times a week, and when you don't, you're going to lose a subscriber. So do what you know is within your capacity. Very important. And when you've selected the numbers of time that you want to film during the week, try to put the days. So tell your subscribers, oh, I'll be filming, I post video every Monday and Tuesday. I post video every Saturday and Sunday, so that people know when to anticipate your video. And that is number 2. Now, coming to number 3, which is more of the technical part, is you need to get your filming equipment. Now, I'm not saying, oh my God, go buy like a very expensive camera. Oh my God, go buy something crazy. Not at all. But there's one thing I also have to say. Believe me. Let me say, I don't say do not believe, but I would say YouTube is not the way it used to be years ago. Because many YouTubers will tell you, oh, just start with anything you have. If you just have like your phone and your phone is all cracky, it doesn't matter, start. That was then, when in 2010, 11, 12, people didn't really mind. They would just watch something. But nowadays, I tell you, if you have good content, but the quality is really bad, and maybe you're typing, your description is good, your tag is good, it's able to rank. Believe me, when people click in and the quality is bad, you're gonna click out, and they clicking out is sending back signal to YouTube, and automatically you get dropped, and that way you are actually going to lose subscribers. So what I always encourage is this. My first YouTube video was filmed on my my boyfriend's what phone was that? It was a Samsung 7 Edge. Yes. So if you have an iPhone 6, start with your iPhone 6. If you have a Samsung, start with it, but put something that can give you at least a decent quality. Like, you should be able to put out content that you would normally watch if another person had actually put out that kind of content. And if you guys want to know like external softwares or app that you can download to help improve your filming quality with your phone, let me know. I'll do another video and recommend some app for you. Now, what I did in my case was, don't be like me. I'm like almost like a perfectionist. So when I started up with a phone, and I told myself that if I can get to 100 subscribers, I was going to get a camera. So I got a camera, nothing fancy. It was a Canon. I can't even remember the name. It wasn't anything crazy. And then when I got to 500 subscribers, I got my Canon T3i, which is also known as the Canon 600D, and that is actually what I'm using to film now. So if you guys want to know how I edit, how I do my color correcting, let me know. I'll do a video on that. If you also want to know how to color correct your video and edit for free on your phone, let me know. I'll also do a video on that. So I started using my Canon, and so far it's been working great. I was able to get myself 2 soft boxes and 1 ring light, but you don't need all of these if you're just starting out. Just try and film your video in front of your window during the day, and that is more than good. Now try to learn the basic thing of editing, guys. It's very important. You have to know how to edit your video. Learn that before even coming on YouTube. I'm just going to tell you, like, basic thing on editing you have to know. So once you've gotten all your equipment done, the next thing you need to know, which is the number 4, is thumbnail, your tag, your description, your title. These things are very vital for you to have a successful YouTube channel. If you're not tagging your videos right, it's not going to get searched out. YouTube is not going to help you promote it. If you are maybe doing a video on a cat and then you're writing, oh, I'm doing a video on a dog, well, you're going to have lots of people who are going to click in, click out, send back signal, and that's crazy. You're just going to lose subscribers. So you need to learn how to do your tags, your description, and all of this good stuff. If you guys want to know, I'm here to help you, because I have been learning how to do it, and I pretty much watch my video go from 200, 300 views to 17,000 views, 12,000 views, minimum of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 views. I'm not crazy big on my channel, but in a month I feel like I have made great progress, and I think these are the main thing that you need when you want to start your YouTube channel. Is there any other thing you want to know? Let me know in the comment section.